So everyone's talking about secret pro tips in Dress to Impress, but are they actually real? So today we're testing them all and exposing the truth. So the tip one, they say that if you don't know what to wear for a theme in DTI, you can always use these fur combos or this ones right here, and you will win the challenge. But this is totally not true or fake because you need to match the theme to win because they will vote for you. And second tips is that you can use a certain pose to collect money easily, such as the split or that drop or so Julia pose. And this is actually true and proven because when you walk and trying to get money in here in the main area or in the dressing room, you can see that when you walk sometimes you cannot collect all the money, but if you use that pose you can collect the money easily. If you don't have the pose, you can always buy it here on the marketplace or the shop. And the next tip is that you can if you want to go into the VIP room but you don't have the access, you can just ask someone in the VIP to let you in and they will let you. And this is totally fake because you need to buy the VIP pass to be able to enter the room. And next one, if you want custom makeup in a DTI, you can just easily get it by spamming it in the chat room in here. And again, that's totally fake because if you want a custom makeup here on DTI, again, you need to buy it here. And the last one is that you can top up your rank. As you guys can see, my rank is currently fashionista, and you can top up your rank into top model if you enter this code, they say. So this is the code and I'm going to show you if it's true or not. And just start like this, top model. Price. Okay, so they say this is the right code for you to rank up your rank easily into top model. Let's try to redeem. And as you guys can see, the code is invalid, so that is totally fake and it's not true. So some of these tips actually work, but some are really are totally busted. And let me know in the comments if you've seen more Ashu tests. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.